Let me show you how we can fix the clock face in the lock screen on the Motorola Signature. So for example, if you go to the lock screen on your phone and it is not as big, or it is just placed over here in the upper left corner, or you don't have the clock at all for some reason, then what you can do is you can go to settings first. And in here, we're gonna go ahead and scroll down to find home and lock screen, and then go to the lock screen. Now in this place, we should be able to find the show clock face option. So you want to make sure that this option is enabled. This allows you to actually have the bigger clock on the lock screen. Besides that, what you can also do is you can go to customize the lock screen, and if you go ahead and try to change the notification style, if you have list, then this might be the reason why you have this smaller clock face in the upper left corner. And even if you have notifications, or whether you have notifications or not, it might be still positioned in the upper left corner. So what you can do is you can simply change the notification style to chip or bubble, depending which one you prefer. This should always allow you to have this bigger clock face on the lock screen. Now, if you did these two things, if you checked this setting over here, the show clock face, and also checked the customization, the notification style on lock screen, and you still have some issues with the clock face, apparently there are some apps that might interfere with the clock face. So what you can do is you can go to apps, there we go, and let's tap to see all apps, and we're gonna tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and we want to show system apps just in case. Now in here we're gonna use the search icon, and you can first search for Glance app. Now I'm not sure if I have it, I actually don't have it, but apparently on some other Motorola smartphones, if you have a Glance app, it might interfere with the clock face. You might have some issues with the clock on the lock screen, so you might want to disable the Glance app if you have it. On the other hand, you can also type personalize. There we go, so we have this personalize app, and in this case you can go to storage and cache, and you want to clear cache and see if that helps. If it doesn't, then you want to clear the whole storage. Now if you clear storage, then there is a chance that you will have to go to the personalized settings in the main menu of settings, of course, so here, in order to set everything up again, because for example you might have like a default wallpapers on the home screen and lock screen, and so on and so forth, so there might be some changes done to your phone. So you will have to go through the personalization again to fix that, to reverse these changes essentially. And hopefully the issue is gone by now. Leave a like and subscribe.